General maintenance. Cleaning the respirator. Before cleaning the respirator, remove the face seal, brow pad, crown pad, nape pad, headband assembly, HEPA filter with cover, along with the rechargeable battery connection cable. Insert the provided cleaning plugs as shown. Do not turn the respirator upside down and fill any area or cavity with liquids. For respirators with contamination, ensure that the face shield is down and the respirator is upright. Clean the respirator using a clean cloth with a mild solution of a household liquid soap and water. For ingrained dirt on the outside of the respirator, excluding visor, a nail brush or ultrasonic brush may be used. Dry the respirator with a clean, lint-free cloth. Do not use a heat source. Wipe the inside and outside of the respirator. Antibacterial cleaning wipes, suitable for contact with the skin, are recommended for this purpose. Do not immerse the respirator in water or any fluid. Do not use organic solvents or abrasive cleaning agents on any part of the respirator. Disposal and cleaning of parts should be undertaken in accordance with local health and safety and environmental regulations. If the respirator has been used in an area that has caused it to become contaminated with a substance requiring special decontamination procedures, observe the precautions described in the manufacturer's health and safety information. Removing the face seal. To remove the face seal and brow pad, observe the position of the face seal before removal, as this will assist in the fitting procedure as shown. Detach all the press fasteners along with all hook and loop retainers, left and right. Remove the brow pad before releasing the face seal elastic ends from the headband hook tape, left and right, as shown. Complete the face seal removal by pulling the rubber sealing strip out of the face seal channel. Replacing the face seal and brow pad. The following demonstration shows fitting the face seal with the respirator held upside down and in the open raised position as shown. With the face shield in the open position, place the new face seal in the orientation shown, with the grey side facing upwards. Place the face seal inside the respirator headspace and ensure that the elastic loop tape does not become twisted. Starting from inside the headspace, feed the elastic loop tape under, up and back over the headband. Repeat this process for the other side of the face shield. Reattach the brow pad, covering both face seal elastic ends, ensuring it is placed centrally on the hook and loop strip located on the inside surface of the headband, with the perforated side of the brow pad facing the user's skin. Attach the press fastener, located next to the rubber sealing strip, to the mating press fastener on the face shield frame. For the welding respirator only, secure the adjacent face seal flap loop tape to the hook tape, located on the inside surface of the welding shield. Ensure the profile of the flap lines up with the profile of the hook and loop retaining strip. Starting at one end, press the rubber sealing strip firmly in and around the face seal channel, ensuring the sealing strip is fully engaged. Secure the press fastener on the other side of the face shield. For the welding respirator only, secure the adjacent face seal flap loop tape to the hook tape, located on the inside surface of the welding shield. Ensure the profile of the flap lines up with the profile of the hook and loop retaining strip. Secure the face seal to the two press fasteners and hook tape as shown. Repeat this process for the other side of the face shield. Approaching from the front of the respirator, wrap the rear section of the face seal around both sides of the adjuster arm of the headband and mate the two press fasteners together in the space behind the adjuster arm below the nape ratchet. Locate the remaining press fastener inside the helmet frame and secure. Repeat the process for the other side of the face shield. Face shield replacement, hard hat unit only. If your face shield is old or shows signs of damage, replace as shown. Remove the face seal. Turn the respirator upside down to gain access to the face shield retainer clips. Insert a flat blade screwdriver into the slot to disengage both the left and right clips from the face shield as shown. Release the face shield retainer clips from each side of the frame. Remove the face shield from the frame. Carefully reassemble, fitting the new face shield in reverse order as shown. Replacing the headband assembly. Warning: the headband, concussion straps, Fixings and mounting points form part of the structure of the helmet. Ensure that the new assembly is fitted correctly, or the integrity of the respirator may be compromised. To replace the headband, remove the headband as shown previously. Refit the new headband in reverse order. Replacing the comfort pads. Brow pad. Remove the brow comfort pad by pulling away from the hook and loop retaining strip. Place the new brow pad onto the hook and loop strip. Ensure the brow pad is placed centrally to the front of the headband so that it sits equally left and right to the user's head. Ensure the perforated side of the brow pad is facing the user's skin. Crown pad. Pull the crown pad away from the headband straps. Place the new crown pad inside the headband and insert the straps into the corresponding slots. Position cutout marker to the front of the headband. Ensure the perforated side of the crown pad is facing the user's skin. Nape pad. Remove the nape comfort pad by pulling away from the hook and loop retaining strip. Place the new nape comfort pad onto the hook and loop strip. Ensure that the nape pad is placed centrally to the headband adjuster. Ensure the perforated side of the nape pad is facing the user's skin. HEPA filter replacement. When the status indicator LED illuminates red, further investigation is required regarding condition of the filter and/or the battery. If no fault is found on the battery, the HEPA filter must be replaced as follows. Remove the filter cover as shown, ensuring not to allow any dirt or elements that may obstruct the airflow to enter the air inlet. Make sure that the HEPA filter is fitted correctly into the filter cover housing, with the filter label facing upwards shown. If a spark arrestor is to be used, ensure that this is fitted. If a pre-filter is to be used, this must be placed in the filter housing before the HEPA filter is fitted. Fit the new HEPA filter before refitting the filter cover into its original position on the respirator as shown.